going to record this lecture. Hello. So the lecture is in a record mode. So let me start with the session now. Subject: commerce. It is marketing management. TY becomes semester 5. You are having this paper, compulsory paper from the FY BCom. You already studied about the introduction to the business. You studied about the introduction to the services in the first year. In the second year, you started with the management functions and management concept in the semester 3, and in the semester 4, you studied about the production and finance management. Now the same subject is in the TY BCom is a marketing management. Today we are going to start with the commerce paper 5, marketing management. When we speak about the marketing management, it is a combination of a two-word, marketing and a management. In the last year in SY, you already studied about what is management. Management is nothing but getting things done with the people in a formally organized group, or I can say management is an art of getting the things done through and with the people in a formally organized group. Management is nothing but to plan, to organize, to direct, and to control various activities of the organization. Management helps in achieving the goals. Management helps in achieving the targets. Management helps in completing the vision and the mission of the organization. When we speak about the various functions of the management, the various functions of the management covers marketing, finance, HR, operation, logistics. There are so many others. But in this year, in semester 5, we have to study about marketing management. Now let me speak about the marketing. The word marketing comprises of a word market. Now what is market? In general word, we says market एक place है, market एक जगह है, market एक ऐसी जगह है जहां पे बायर और सेलर मिलते हैं. But not necessary market एक जगह ही हो. So market is what? Market is a circumstances. Market is a situation. Market is an environment. Market is a condition where buyers and sellers comes together, agrees on the same things, decides whether to buy and whether to sell. They come to the common point and agreeing between each other and finalizing their deals, and that is called marketing. Market. To run market successfully, we need to take a lot of efforts. To run market smoothly, efficiently, and effectively, we need to provide a strong support. And this strong support is nothing but marketing. Marketing is a vast concept. If I will ask in the class what is marketing, the student answers, sir, marketing matlab selling. मार्केटिंग मतलब प्रोडक्ट को बेचना. मार्केटिंग का मतलब होता है कहीं पे जाके सेल करना. इतना सा काम मार्केटिंग का नहीं होता है. मार्केटिंग इज मच वाइडर. Marketing starts from the idea generation about the product, and marketing ends at the feedback of the product by the customer. ध्यान से समझने की कोशिश करना. मार्केटिंग शुरू होता है एक प्रोडक्ट के बारे में आइडिया जनरेट करने के लिए. कोई भी प्रोडक्ट होता है, फॉर एग्जांपल ये एक माउस है. अगर वो माउस को मार्केट में लेके आना है तो पहले माउस का डिजाइन माइंड में बनता है. सो मार्केटिंग इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एन आइडिया. मार्केटिंग इज एन आइडिया. एक आइडिया जनरेशन करना पड़ता है. आफ्टर आइडिया जनरेशन वी हैव टू डिजाइन. After idea generation, we have to design the product. According to the design, we have to develop the product. According to the development, we have to produce the product, manufacture the product. After the production and manufacturing is done, we have to promote the product. After promotion, when there will be the demand in the market, we have to supply the product. That is, we have to make an arrangement for the distribution of the product. After distribution of the product, when the customer comes to the retailer sells the product, customer consumes the product, and after consumption of the product, customer gives the feedback about the product. According to the feedback, we have to develop our new product. Now again, let me revise it. Are you all of you able to hear me? Just show your thumb. All of you able to hear me? Yes or no? Yes. Thank you. Great. I think so. Yatin is showing a nice thumb. Thank you. Okay. So, dear students, marketing starts from the idea generation, designing the product, developing the product, producing the product, manufacturing the product, at the same time promoting the product, distribution of the product, then customer consumes the product, there is consumption of the product, after consumption, feedback about the product, and after feedback, according to the feedback of the customer, we have to create a new product. So now think about this. Marketing is a vast concept. It is not covered in a single part. It is a vast concept. So today, in today's lecture, we are going to discuss about what is marketing, what is the definition of marketing, and what are the features of marketing. Dear student, I am going to share with you a PowerPoint presentation. And this PowerPoint presentation I am going to share with you in the group also. So don't worry and don't hurry. Be relaxed and calm and listen to what I am speaking. So are you ready with that? Yes. Let me share you the PowerPoint presentation for today's session. Dear students, are you able to see the PowerPoint presentation? Yes or no? Show me your thumb. Yes, great. Yes, it is much better. So, chapter number 1, Introduction to Marketing. Just a second, there are 10 students who are waiting in the waiting room, so I will admit them so they can be the beneficiary of the thing. Okay, now, chapter number 1, Introduction to Marketing, lecture number 1, today's date. To start with, the definition of marketing. You can see, according to the Chartered Institute of Marketing, UK, define marketing is a management process of, try to understand, marketing is nothing but a management process of identifying, number 1, anticipating, number 2, and satisfying customers' requirement, and the most importantly, profitably. Let me read the definition again. Marketing is a management process of identifying, anticipating, and satisfying the customer's requirement profitably. This definition all of you has to remember, because it is going to be there in the examination. You need to write it compulsory. Again, marketing is a management process of identifying, anticipating, and satisfying the customer's requirement profitably. When we speak about a marketing is a management process, what it means, all the functions, all the principles applicable to the management, जो भी functions और जो भी principles management को applicable होते हैं, वो सारे functions और principles marketing को भी applicable होंगे. For example, there are 14 principles given by Andrew Foles. It's the principles of management, and as the marketing is also management, so there are all principles will also applicable to the marketing. So marketing is the management process of identifying. दोस्तों सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन करता हूं, हमें कौन सा प्रोडक्ट बनाना है, जो हमको बनाने आता है वो हमें प्रोडक्ट बनाना है, या हमारे कस्टमर को जो चाहिए वो बनाना है? हमारे कस्टमर को जो चाहिए वो हमें बनाना है. यस और नो? यस. So marketing is a management process of identifying, searching what customer wants, anticipating, अंदाजा लगाना कि कस्टमर को क्या चाहिए. एग्जाम्पल, आज की ये जो परिस्थिति है, पेंडेमिक सिचुएशन है, इस सिचुएशन की अगर हम बात करें तो आजकल आप देख सकते हो मास्क, सैनिटाइजर, ऑटोमेटिकली इसकी नीड कितनी बढ़ गई है. सो इट्स अ कॉमन एंटिसिपेशन कि आने वाले दिन में ये बहुत चलने वाला है, क्योंकि इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ कंपल्सरी प्रोडक्ट विथ अस. जैसे हम लोग कॉलेज में आने के लिए बैग के अंदर एक राइटिंग पेन कैसा रखता है, वैसा घर के बाहर निकलने के लिए निकलेंगे तब तक हमें सैनिटाइजर और मास्क साथ में लेके निकलना है. एग्री? सो when we speak about marketing, marketing is a management process of identifying, anticipating, and satisfying. You can satisfy the people only when you can identify and anticipate what they want. हम तब तक पर्सन को वो चीज नहीं दे पाते जब तक हमको खुद को नहीं पता है कि उसको क्या चाहिए. तो मार्केटिंग इज आइडेंटिफाइंग एंड एंटिसिपेटिंग and then satisfying the customer requirement. But very important thing you have to understand is that marketing is a management process. Marketing is a profit-oriented process. So while doing marketing, whatever you are doing under the marketing, don't forget you have to take care of your profit also. Otherwise, you will not be able to survive in the economy. That's why in the definition, profitably word is being given. So marketing is a management process of identifying, anticipating, and satisfying customers' requirement profitably. I hope the definition is clear to everybody. Yes, show your thumb. Students. Yes, great. So may I go ahead now? Next topic. Good. So marketing is a management process of identifying, anticipating, and satisfying the customer's requirement profitably. Next, features of marketing. When we speak about the features of marketing, it is a nature of marketing, the characteristics of the marketing. In examination, they can ask a question like define marketing and what are the characteristics of the marketing. So this will be the question and answer. Now, when we speak about the features of marketing, marketing is a systematic. Let me admit there are few students waiting outside. See, that's why I told you 5 o'clock all of you must be ready, because in between the lecture, this will be the problem. Okay. When we speak about the features of marketing, the first feature is systematic process. When we speak about marketing is a systematic process, what it means is, I told you, marketing is a vast process, starts from the idea generation and ends on the feedback of the customer. It begins from when the idea comes to the mind of the person and ends when the product is being sold and consumed and feedback given by the customer. So it is a systematic process. Marketing involves a product to be reached to the customer in a proper way, keeping in mind its product quality, its price, its proper promotion, and its proper distribution, that is placing. That we need to understand. So product, price, promotion, place, these all are the elements which we need to understand while doing a marketing process. That's why it is being told as marketing is a systematic process. Did you understood? See, whenever I say did you understood, you have to show the thumb so I can understand you are with me. Otherwise I will feel you are not with me. So did you understood? Great. The second point says marketing is idea, goods, and services. Let me discuss with you in detail. First, let me give the example of marketing of goods. We are watching a lot of advertisement in the newspaper. Yes or no? We are watching a lot of advertisement in the TV. These all advertisement are maybe for the goods or maybe for the services. For example, you can see the advertisement by the HDFC Bank, advertisement by the ICICI Bank. These are the services. There are a lot of advertisement like Bata shoes. Any product you can take is a goods. There are something which we cannot say is a goods also and is a service also. And there are some advertisement. For example, आजकल आप देखते होंगे टीवी में एक एड आता है, आरोग्य सेतु डाउनलोड करो. देखा है आप लोगों ने? यस. डाउनलोड द आरोग्य सेतु ऐप. अभी आरोग्य सेतु ना तो कोई प्रोडक्ट है, इट इज नथिंग लाइक कि कोई गवर्नमेंट कोई कंपनी बेच रहा है उसको. नो, आरोग्य सेतु इज helping the common man to safeguard from the COVID-19, that is coronavirus. Now it is being promoted in the interest of common man. इसीलिए कहा जाता है ना जनहित में आधारित. ऐसे बहुत सारे ऐड आते हैं जैसे कि सर्व शिक्षा अभियान, पढ़ेगा इंडिया तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. There are so many aid or promotion things which they are showing as a government enterprise, government authority to create an awareness or to give an idea to the people. So जरूरी नहीं है कि मार्केटिंग सिर्फ गुड्स और सर्विस को बेचने के लिए हो. जरूरी है मार्केटिंग must be for an idea also, goods also, service also. I hope you understood the point number 2. Yes or no? Understood? Thanks. Third point says all pervasive. Marketing is applicable to both profit making organization as well as not for profit organization. There are so many company, on the contrary I can say major companies who are promoting the goods, advertising the goods and applying various modes of advertising and marketing. But you must have seen there are many non-profit organizations like NGOs, educational institution, hospitals also adopts marketing techniques and marketing strategies. वो लोग भी marketing करते हैं. So जरूरी नहीं है कि marketing सिर्फ goods marketing सिर्फ profit making company करते हैं. Marketing can be done by profit making company as well as not for profit making companies. I hope pervasive means it covers everything. It covers profit making also as well as not for profit also. Next point. Hope you understood the point number 3. Yes or no? Yes. The next thing is marketing is an integrated approach. Integrated is nothing but covers everything. Integrated means it is applicable for every process. Now, why it is integrated? It covers the product, it covers the price, it covers the promotion, and it covers the placing of the product also. It helps each and every aspect of the company. It helps each and every corner of the company. So marketing is an integrated because it covers various functions. It is connected with the human resource, it is connected with the finance, it is connected with the other department also. So marketing is an integrated approach. Hope you understood this point. Yes. Next thing is marketing, very important point. Next point is societal interest. दोस्तों, in the previous time, बहुत पहले के समय में कहा जाता था कि कंपनी ओनली थिंग्स फॉर द प्रॉफिट. उसके बाद कंपनी ने थोड़ा सोसाइटी के अंदर यानी कि कस्टमर वेलफेयर के बारे में सोचना शुरू किया. प्रॉफिट इज द फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी. Then they thought about the customer satisfaction. Nowadays, company not only thinks for the profit, not only thinks for the customer satisfaction, but also thinks for the benefit to the society. Now it became a compulsory for every company to do some kind of social responsibilities under the banner of CSR, customer social responsibilities. So every company is thinking about the helping the society, benefiting the customer, and then the profit. The first aim is to be societal, helping the society, donating to the society, support to the society. Then comes our customer must be happiest customer, and then comes our profit. So that is what the societal interest. The next point is the expansion of business. There are three ways by which the company can expand the business. Number one, increasing the existing capacity. अभी तक 10,000 यूनिट बनाते थे, अभी 15,000 यूनिट बना रहे. Expansion. Entering into the new market. आज तक सिर्फ मुंबई में बिजनेस करते थे, अभी पुणे में बिजनेस शुरू किया. Expansion. Adding to the product range, यानी कि आज तक सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट ए बनाते थे, अभी प्रोडक्ट बी, प्रोडक्ट सी बनाना शुरू किया. एक्सपांशन. देखो तीन तरीके से एक्सपांशन हुआ. सो मार्केटिंग अगर नहीं करेंगे, अगर मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटेजी हम बराबर से अप्लाई नहीं करेंगे, तो हम एक्सपेंशन नहीं कर पाएंगे. होप यू अंडरस्टूड. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज every organization has an objective, and to achieve this objective we need to follow the marketing tactics, marketing practice. अगर हम मार्केटिंग प्रैक्टिस को सही तरह से फॉलो नहीं करेंगे तो हम कभी भी अपने ऑब्जेक्टिव्स को पूरा नहीं कर सकेंगे, क्योंकि हर एक ऑब्जेक्टिव अपने प्लान को अचीव करता है. हर एक प्लान हमारे कंपनी के विजन और मिशन तक हमें लेके जाता है. सो दैट आल्सो इज अ कॉमन पॉइंट व्हिच वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. कस्टमर सेटिस्फैक्शन के बारे में मैंने थोड़े समय पहले बात की. इट इज एन अल्टीमेट एम ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टू सेटिस्फाई द कस्टमर. That's why in the definition itself, marketing is a management process of identifying, anticipating, and satisfying the customer's requirement profitably. Customer's requirement, customer satisfaction. जब भी हम कोई प्रोडक्ट बेचते हैं तो कस्टमर तीन तरीके से रिएक्ट करता है. Either customer is unhappy, customer is happy, and customer is more than happy. So हमेशा हमें ये ट्राई करना चाहिए कि our customer must be more than happy. Next point. When a company follows a proper marketing strategy, अगर हम दूसरे कंपनी से बेहतर स्ट्रेटेजी अपनाते तो हमें कॉम्पिटिटिव एडवांटेज मिलता है, जो दूसरी कंपनी नहीं करती हम कर रहे हैं. सो वी आर गेटिंग अ कॉम्पिटिटिव एडवांटेज, एंड कॉम्पिटिटिव एडवांटेज मिलने की वजह से दूसरों के कस्टमर भी हमारी कंपनी की तरफ अट्रैक्ट होते हैं, हमारा बिजनेस बढ़ता है. मगर ये सब तब पॉसिबल होता है जब आप प्रॉपर मार्केटिंग फॉलो करो. Otherwise, other company will lead and you will have to follow them. But when you follow the marketing properly, you will lead and they will follow you. The last point says a corporate image. A company who follows a proper marketing tactics and company who tries to satisfy the customer, and वो भी satisfy ऐसे करना है कि customer को जो चाहिए वो identify करो, define करो, and then you have to satisfy the customer. Then that customer will be with you for the long time. And you will be able to create an image not only in the minds of customer, in the minds of your competitor also, and in the minds of the society also. So let me read it first. Marketing is a systematic process. It is an idea, goods and services. It is all pervasive. It is an integrated approach. It has a societal interest. It looks after the expansion of business. It is an organizational objective. It looks after the customer satisfaction. It thinks about the competitive advantage and helps to achieve the corporate image. These are the features. Okay. Next slide is all of you note down these two questions. Explain the meaning and definition of marketing we studied, and explain the features of marketing in brief. Note down these two questions because you have to write the assignment. It should be handwritten assignment. After writing handwritten assignment, you have to send me the scanned copy of the assignment. On every page of your assignment, we need your signature. If you directly gives your assignment to somebody to post it to me, then the another person will sign, then I will come to know this assignment is you have been given to somebody. आपने अपना assignment किसी को दिया या तो किसी से लेके आए. Those who will submit the assignment on time, that we will consider for our internal marks also to promote you people in some extent, because this is compulsory. So note down the things properly, explain the meaning and definition of marketing, explain the features of marketing, and finally assignment must be handwritten. Not first number, not number is there. Assignment will be handwritten, and scanned copy of assignment to be mailed to this mail ID on or before 17/6/2020. Now, for your reference, I would like you people, I'm just stop sharing, and if any one of you, because now within few minutes our meeting will automatically stop. Our meeting will automatically stop. Total, you have to, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. You can, whatever is the doubt you will have, you just write your question in the chat box. We will answer your query, because it's not possible for me to unmute all. Otherwise, there will be a lot of noise will come and will not be able to hear each and everybody. That's why I'm keeping all of you on the mute mode. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can mail me on that particular mail ID. You have to submit your assignment on that particular mail ID. Whatever queries you have, you can just write it down to the mail ID, and I will definitely resolve it within the next day. So I think so. Today lecture, all of you understood? If yes, show your thumb. All of you understood? We have 82 participants today. We have 82 participants today. Every day you will get a lecture schedule like this, and you have to see what lecture and which teacher is going to take. Whenever you have a lecture, please be ready with the notebook and pen, because if it is an accountancy lecture, you have to ready with it, because accountancy lecture is going to be start. Within 1 or 2 days, you will get the lecture schedule. And as a TY BCom, TY all programs, we have given priority to you people to start with this. Okay, thank you very much. We're leaving now. I'm closing the meeting. And one more thing, I have recorded the whole program. I will share the recording with you in the group. तो जो lecture नहीं सुन पाए थे, वो ये lecture सुन पाएंगे. वो recording डाउनलोड करेंगे तो आप सुन पाएंगे. So उसके लिए आप लोगों को जो नहीं सुन पाए परवाह करने की जरूरत नहीं है. दूसरी बात, finally, those who are doing this scribbling on the board, I will punish that person. This is not done. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye.